3 in a year. Yeah, and it's not just that. I know Python frameworks, Django, Tkinter, and Kivy. Impressive, huh? Be like me right now with these tips. So first up, why did I hustle so much? I don't want to be a computer science engineer or anything like that. I just thought it was a nice skill to have on my resume. Whenever a boss would be like, we need a web dev. Yo, did you read my resume when you hired me? Because it is there. And yeah, I would just like to be that versatile guy who can do anything. So that's why I decided to learn all these languages. So my first tip is books are really underrated. Like, I learned Kotlin from a book called Head First Kotlin, and it's really plenty of problems, and it helps you apply what you've learned, and it helps you actually build something without any problems, because most courses out there, they will teach you the basics, but you won't be able to do anything with them. This book really helps you to do something with it. It's not just that, there are many other books for many other programming languages. You just Google best programming language book and look for the most recent ones and go through them, then buy them. And YouTube also has some good stuff too. Check out Free Code Camp, Telesco, and many more. I give you all these resources, all these places you can go and learn, but you seriously have to set yourself up a schedule to go through the videos or the books. In life, consistency is key. You seriously have to keep thriving if you want to succeed in a programming language or not. You can't go halfway and abandon it. Seriously, all of the above is useless if you don't do one thing. Do projects. And it's completely normal for you to get stuck applying lessons to a project. Just Google it and the answers will come, and then you just have to keep pushing, and you will be so proud of the end result. Like, I am not kidding. I was so proud when I learned how to do web design. It was like, I was so happy that I was able to build websites, and you should also try and feel that too. So hope you guys go out there and learn so much that your laptop will start talking to you. See you guys.